Hey everybody, our fabulous new Square D 60-year-old fuse panel has arrived. This will mount directly in the original panel at the Fuller Dome and looks in pretty good condition. Got just a couple of pieces to glue on there. Holds that bar in place at this end. But otherwise, this thing is remarkably sturdy. Much better than anything today. And totally serviceable. Every piece of this thing can be taken apart and replaced. So it's mounted to this very sturdy back plate. And this section is fixed to it with 3 screws, and there, and there. But then this half is completely configurable. This is a removable unit here, and I have some more of them. Right here in this big old 200 amp panel, where I've removed the 200 amp fuse for protecting the inverter in the house for the solar power. Or anyway, so you just take whatever module you want and pry it off of there. And they're very firmly connected. Much better than today's breakers. And just look at the back of them here. If there's ever a problem with anything, everything can be unscrewed and replaced. If these contacts get burnt or lose their springiness or corrode, you just unscrew them. Even the clip that holds it down at the other end. So then you just configure this half however you like. Just line it up like so and shove it in there. Very sturdy. And then this is the same as the fixed one over here with the old cartridge fuses that go up to 60 amps. There's a 60. Get your on position and turn it over and have your off position. And this one came with these inserts already in here. They change from the Edison type of fuse. See, that's a little larger there, and this has an insert in it. Changes it to this type of fuse, which gives you a little springiness to the contact there. And these do not allow 30 amp fuses in there. So the big problem with a fuse panel, people noticing that their circuit is tripping and is putting in a larger fuse, putting a 30 amp fuse in a 15 or 20 amp circuit, burning things down. Now you can't do that, and these inserts are difficult to remove. So used properly, this is actually safer than a modern breaker panel, as a breaker can fail to trip sometimes, but a fuse will not fail to blow. And then with the much more solid construction than modern items, you don't have that variable of things wiggling around. Of course, the exception is that you can't put your GFCI or RCD device in here, or the arc fault circuit breaker, but we'll handle that in a separate panel. So I think it's quite a nice old device. So look for this to be going into the Fuller Dome soon. Thanks for watching.